Hello, this is Arifa Khan from SIRTS College Sage Group Bhopal. Discrete structure 302. Topic is relation. And the definition of inverse relation. So what is inverse relation? So consider a relation R from a set A to the set B. Okay. If a relation R from a set A to a set B, then the inverse of a relation is denoted by R inverse, and it is a relation from the set B to set A. Okay. So if R be any relation from a set A to set B, it is a relation. But R inverse is a inverse relation, and it is from B to A. Okay. And we have to write in mathematically we written as R inverse is equal to BA such that AB belongs to R. Okay. R inverse means B is related to A, but and R is A related to B. So this is inverse relation. For example, we have a set A with the elements 2, 3, 4, 5. And the relation is less than and is equal to. So first we have to find the relation, and then we find its inverse, R inverse. So we have A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and the relation is defined as less than and is equal to. So the relation R we have 2, 2, because 2 is equivalent to 2, and the second pair is 2, 3, and the next pair is 2, 4, 2, 5, and for 3 it is 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 4, that is 4, 4, 4, 5, and it is for 5, it is only 5, 5. So we have the relation R is equal to 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 5, 5. Okay. So the inverse relation is from B to A. That means if we have 2, 3 in R, then in R inverse we have 3, 2. Okay. And here we have 2, 4. So in R inverse we have 4, 2. Similarly, if we have in R, it is 2, 5. So it is in R inverse 5, 2. Okay. So the relation R inverse is from B to A, and relation R is from A to B. Okay. And the next definition is composition of relation. So composition of relation is if A, B and C are sets and a relation R from A to B. Okay. If we have relation R from A to B, okay, and we have another relation S from the set B to C, means we have another relation S from the set B to C. Okay, then the relation from A to C is called composition of relation. Okay, if we have a relation S from the B to C, and if we have a relation R from A to B, okay, then the relation from A to C, which is defined, which is indicated by ROS, okay, and it is in bracket AC such that AB belongs to R and BC belongs to S. So this is called composition of relation. What is? If A be any set and B be any set, and if we have a relation from A to B and it is defined as R, and we have another set C and a relation from B to C is S, then the relation from A to C, which is defined as ROS, is called the composition of relation. and in mathematically ROS is equal to AC such that it is the sign of such that AB belongs to R, it is a sign of belongs to, and BC belongs to S. So this is composition of relation. For example, if we have three sets, suppose X with elements 4, 5, 6 and Y be the another set with the elements A, B, C and Z be the another set with the elements L, M, N, and consider a relation R1 from X to Y and a relation R2 from Y to Z, and we have given that the relation R1 and R2 both, where R1 is a relation from X to Y and R2 is a relation from Y to Z. Okay, so we have R1 is equal to 4A, 4B, 5C, 6A, 6C, and the another relation R2 that is from Y to Z, we have AL, AN, BL, BM, CL, CM and CN. So the composition of R1 and R2, that means R1 OR2. We have to find the composition of relation from R1 OR2, that means we have to find the relation from X to Z. Okay, तो ये जो रिलेशन हमने डिफाइन किया हुआ है ये ऑलरेडी हमें गिवन है. दिस इज़ द रिलेशन R1 एंड दिस इज़ द रिलेशन R2. R1 इज़ अ रिलेशन फ्रॉम X to Y and R2 is a relation from Y to Z, and we have relation R1, we have 4A, so see this is 4A, and we have 4B, so this is 4B. Now we have 5C, so this is 5C. Okay, now we have 6A, so this is 6A, and we have 6C, so we have 6C. Okay, so this is the relation from X to Y and we represented that R1, and we have another relation R2 from Y to Z, and we have in R2 AL. See, this is AL, now the AN, so AN. Okay, now we have BL, so this is BL. Now we have BM, so where this is BM, CL, CM and CN. So this is CN, this is CM and this is CL. Okay, now we have to find the relation from R1 and R2, that means composition of relation, and it is a relation from X to Z. So see, we have 4A and A to L, so we have a relation from 4 to L. Okay, so R1 R2, the first value of R1 OR2 is 4L. Okay, now second 4B and B to M, so we get 4M. again we have 4M. see next 4 के साथ देखिए 4, we have 4A and A to L. ओके, तो अगेन 4L, तो रिपीटेड वैल्यू है. नाउ आप देखें N के साथ क्या रिलेशन बनता है. सो देखो 4 to A and A to N, सो वी हैव 4N. ओके, नाउ देखें आप 5 के साथ, सो 5C and C to L, सो वी हैव 5L. ओके, 5M में देखें, सो वी हैव 5 and C and C to M, so this is 5M. now 5N, so this is 5C and this is N, so we have 5N. similarly we have 6M, 6N and 6N. so this is a relation from A to Z, from X to Z, and it is called as composition of relation. ओके, तो अभी हमने स्टडी किया बेटा कि इन्वर्स रिलेशन क्या होता है, और हमने देखा कि कंपोजिशन ऑफ रिलेशन कैसे होता है. ठीक है, अब हम आपसे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में फिर से मिलेंगे. ओके देन.